You are going to love the 2020 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.